Hello students, greetings of the day. Now we are in the fourth video presentation of series of care that has to be taken while you are preparing for the examination. And today's topic is care to be taken while writing the examination. This is the most important thing because how better you perform while you write the exam, the strategies that you follow while you write the exam will determine your result. So in this video presentation, we are going to give you very important tips and techniques and strategies that you need to follow while you are writing the examination. The first and foremost thing is first write the hall ticket number properly and check it twice. So in the allotted space in the answer sheet, you write the hall ticket number. So don't forget to write the hall ticket number and don't write it at any other place other than the space that is specified to it. And you have to write your details like your name or admit card, etc. What is being asked in the examination answer sheet, you have to write at the specified locations and don't write at any other place. It amounts to malpractice. For example, if you write your admit card number other than the space that is provided for it, then that will be counted as a malpractice. So don't do that. So check. You can verify the specimen copies that are available so that you will get accustomed to it. You will come to know where to write and what to write. This is very important. And for some papers at CA inter level for EIS and SM, income tax and GST, you need to write answers in two separate booklets. So at that time, be attentive. Don't try to answer in a confused manner. Try to answer in a clear manner, section A in one paper and section B in another paper. That is the most important thing. And now comes the most important thing. You are given 15 minutes of time to read the question paper. This is the most crucial time, the golden time. So you have to plan yourself, you have to prepare yourself to use that time effectively. And at that time, at that 15 minutes of question paper reading time, you have to make very important decisions like what questions you need to answer and what questions need to be left as choice and in what order. Not some digital watches or mobile phones. No, just carry the watch which is permissible into the examination center. And you all know this, time management is very important. So how better you slice your time for the questions. So always you need to have some estimation. For example, for a 10 marks question, you should not spend more than 16 minutes. So this kind of meticulous planning, micro level planning regarding the time you need to spend for each and every question in the examination will determine your success in the examination. For example, if you could not answer the question within the specified time of 16 minutes for a 10 marks question, so then leave it and go to the next question, because you should not disturb the next question. The time allocation that is done for the next question should not be disturbed, because all questions are equally important. It is not the importance of the question, but it is the weightage of the question. It is the marks that are being allotted to the question. That is very, very important. And this is the most important thing. First, solve the problem in a rough manner. Once you are confident that the answer is right, then solve it on the answer sheet. And this will definitely minimize a lot of risk. And a very important tip. After completion of 50% of the time, that is 1.5 hours, you just sit back and relax yourself, at least for 5 minutes, so that you can get energy once again, you feel fresh once again, and you can start writing the remaining part of the exam. And please pay attention. Whenever you are taking some additional answer sheets, you have to write your serial number. Don't forget to do it. See, many students will have a tendency that they will be in a hurry and they'll take the additional sheet and they forget to put on the serial number or the admit card number or something, and simply they'll tie up the things and give it to the examiner, which is not at all a right practice. So don't postpone till the end. Immediately after taking the additional sheet, make it a habit to write your number. That is very important. And once you are returning the answer sheet to the examiner, please cross check or check twice the admit card number, whether you have put it in a proper manner or not, and in what way you have arranged the additional answer sheets or booklets. So you have to pay attention to that. And in order to do all these things in a comfortable manner, you have to plan from the first minute of your examination. So once you plan properly from the first minute of your examination in a better way, so definitely you feel comfortable by the time you come to the ending part of the examination. So it all lies in your planning, in your meticulous and micro level planning to write the examination. That is the reason you have to follow right kind of strategies to make yourself comfortable at the end of the examination. And don't give up. For example, if you feel that you have not performed in the examination well, so just stay in the examination hall and spend maximum amount of time. Try to recollect the things. Try to recollect how better you have prepared. And you just try to write maximum. Don't ever give up. Simply by looking at the question paper. Don't ever give up. This is another golden principle is presentation is very important. Many students, they argue that, sir, why we need to pay attention to the presentation? Content is important. Yes, obviously content is important, but presentation is equally important as content. Because how you present, it should be legible, it should be attractive. Attractive in the sense, I'm not asking you to use some sketch pens and all. No, don't use that. But make your answer sheet legible, comfortable to the person who is evaluating your answer sheet. So once your answer sheet is comfortable to the evaluationer while he is evaluating your answer paper, so that will definitely fetch you good marks. So presentation is very important. How you present. So there will be a lot of presentation tips that will be discussed in the classrooms. So pay attention to them and follow all those presentation strategies while you are writing the examination. And the most important thing is, this is a common tendency again among the students, that they always compare their performance with the other students writing the examination around them. Let them write. You don't know what they are writing. You don't know whether what they are writing is correct or not. But just by looking at them, how can you come to a conclusion that they are doing well and you are not doing well? So this kind of assumptions, this kind of false conclusions will not help you anywhere. So always look at your performance, try to focus on your own things and try to write the examination in a better manner. So these are the most important tips you need to follow while you are writing the examination. So if you follow all these strategies while you are writing the examination, definitely you can clearly write your examination in a better way and you will get positives. All the best. Thank you.
Let's have a glimpse into the roots of the Masterminds. So Masterminds was established in 2002 and is undeniably the pioneer and the leader in MEC, CA and CMA coaching in India, with a lion's share of nearly 20,000 admissions per annum. It is an incredible initiative by three visionary edupreneurs. That is me, MSS Prakash, Chartered Accountant, my brother Mohan, my sister-in-law Radha. From the same family at a very young age, under the successful mentorship of our father, Mr. M. Sivaprasad. Within the shortest span, our presence have expanded to almost all major cities of AP and Telangana. We are humbled to say that very soon we want to expand to the states of Karnataka and Tamil Nadu also, so especially with the wishes and support of all our old students. We offer best quality services for MEC with integrated coaching for CRCMA Foundation. Exclusive MEC CEC coaching is also available. Regular class, study hours and revision exams, MMTS services for all the levels of CSCMA courses. And recently we launched a unique academic program called MEC Pro, aiming the students who aspire to pursue BBA, CLAT or MBA in future rather than CA, CMA courses, and we have received excellent response. So our students have achieved first rank for 47 times in various courses that we offer coaching. Till now, our students have bagged 977 All India ranks in all the stages of CA and CMA courses. So 98 All India ranks in a single attempt of CMA inter and final exams, and 180 All India ranks in CA CMA courses in 2019 and 20 alone. So 3 All India first ranks in the year 2020 alone. So right now we have around 150 batches of various courses in Guntur and all our branches together.
Hello everyone. For more interesting updates on CA and CMA courses, please subscribe to our YouTube channel Masterminds for CA and CMA. You can follow us on our Facebook page Masterminds for CA, and you can also follow us on our Instagram ID Masterminds for CA. And you can download Masterminds online classes app from Google Play Store if you are an Android user. If you are an iOS user, you can download Class Plus app and you can enter MJET-GUN, the organization code. And in Masterminds online classes app, you will find very interesting videos of more than 200 in number, useful for all levels of CA and CMA courses. And so far, more than 25,000 people have downloaded Masterminds online classes app. If you have any academic queries related to CA and CMA, you can send email to our academic advisor CA MSS Prakash on his email ID. His email ID is mssprakash2012@gmail.com. Thank you.